Oh, oh. Yo, wake up, bro. We gotta go.
Guys.
Today we're gonna Mythbusters for the second time. We're gonna go see if there's a big bird with golden egg. He shat a golden egg out of his ass. Let's go. Last time we spent
Rumor says it's in this forest.
Yeah, it's in the forest. You gotta take it slow, right, man? You gotta take it slow. We gotta walk nicely, man. I mean, bro, this is a lovely walk. I don't wanna rush. It's a lovely forest, man.
Okay,
hold on, wait for me. We go at the same time. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, wait, bro, get back.
Run!
I don't have my... Get him!
Daddy, that was the most scariest thing in the whole movie.
Bruh. Calling me daddy.
Not gonna lie.
Hold on, man.
Let me suck your toe, bro. It's very clean.
Okay, myth confirmed. Fly. Oh no!